Hey Flavorfest family, this is Pastor Adam Kent from Crossover Church, and I want to personally invite you to join me for my session at Flavorfest. Level Up, building discipleship through small groups and classes. In this session, we're diving deep into what it takes to create strong discipleship culture in your church. So whether you're leading small groups, teaching classes on Sunday, whatever it might be, I'll be sharing proven strategies to help you engage your congregation, build authentic relationships, and guide them on their spiritual journey. From practical tips to real-life examples, I'll give you the tools to take your small groups and classes to the next level. It's all about creating environments where people can grow in their faith, support one another, and live out the gospel together. So if you're a seasoned leader or just getting started, this session will equip you to build effective Christ-centered community that inspires real spiritual growth. So don't miss it. Level Up at Flavorfest. I can't wait to see you there. So join me, Pastor Adam Kent, at the Level Up session, building discipleship through small groups and Sunday classes. Sign up now at flavorfest.org.